Check it out, people. The first snow of the season on Luch Mountain. And it's coming down pretty good. You can see our little Jeepster's got some snow on it. Our ground's got a bunch of snow on it. And look at that. Our BMS has a bunch of snow all over it. You know what that means, people. It's time to clear this beast off and go have some fun. Stick with us, won't you? Well, there you have it, people. Our Bms Stallion 600 in the first snow of the season on Luch Mountain. Even on street tires, this thing's a beast. It handles the snow like no problem. Remember, people, this has been Dorito and the Lucha Cabre signing out. Rock on, people. Lucha Bob.